Hi guys, new video, fourth video. Yeah, thank you for choosing this video to watch. Today in this video I am gonna be showing you my little kitten. Okay, I'm gonna just leave you here for a minute. Okay, I'll go for 1 second. Come on, Fudgy. This is my cat, Fudge. She usually lies down a lot, like right now. Cute little kitty. Her name's Fudge. She has like a blue collar kind of thing. Oh man, she's adorable. She usually likes lying down. She sleeps and lies down on this bed. Usually, sometimes I sleep here. And that's my bed. She's adorable. Aren't you, Fudge? You're a chubby little baby. You're cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, come on, Fudge. You're cute. She's adorable. I'll tell you some more things about her. But first, okay, I just really needed to do that. It was funny. My cat is about, since this is October, I'm gonna just quickly see for a minute. Fudge is 7 months old and like 2 weeks. So yeah, that's my cat. That's her bed. She plays with a pink feather. Come on, Fudge. And well, that's all. Bye.